Howdy, tribe. So as many of you may know, my wife and I are currently on an RV trip cross country, checking out various parts of the country that might be worth looking at. The long-term goal of ultimately finding a place to set up shop, put out roots, and maybe set up a homestead. Now, while we're on this trip, I wanted to go ahead and shoot a Minimalist Monday that reviewed one of the most important, if not the single most important piece of minimalist survival gear there is. What is that piece of gear, you ask? The espresso machine. Now, I know what you're thinking. This might not be minimalist by most people's standards, and hell, I don't even actually drink coffee. But when it comes to survival, there is one rule I've learned, and that is this: happy wife means happy life. And so with that in mind, no, this is not actually what we take camping. But if our espresso machine is important enough to us that we actually bring it with us when we go RVing, then you know it's pretty high up there on the list. So with that in mind, I am very excited to introduce you to the Nanopresso. In this tiny little package right here, I have everything I need to make my wife a perfect cup of espresso, do it consistently, and do it well every single time. It's easy to clean, super easy to pack away. I mean, you can see here, that's basically the size of the palm of my hand right there, so this thing can fit in a shoe. I don't know. We've used this thing hard, used it a lot, and it has saved our ass a ton. So I think, just go check it out. Let me show you guys how it works. There you go, my love. A perfect cup every time.
Thank you.
Of course. So obviously, if we were minimalist backpacking, we wouldn't take this with us. We would probably take something like instant coffee or instant espresso. However, as my wife has assured me, instant espresso tastes like duty. So if we're car camping or anything above that, then of course we're going to take something like this or a full-size espresso machine, because why be miserable when you're in the bush? That's pretty much all I got for this episode of Minimalist Monday. Thanks for watching, guys. You stay safe out there.